I know the video that everybody was wanting to see next was me putting the transmission in the SC, but I'm waiting on a couple of parts, so I figured that I could show everybody the things that I have gotten recently. What is he doing? What is this? He's like, oh, you're here, you're doing things? Allow me to just rub and bathe myself on the carpet, because that's what I do. Anyways, I just got a couple of things that I thought everybody might be interested in seeing, so let's get this cracking, because I'm ready to share. I have a box that I've been anxiously waiting to open just to share with everybody on YouTube. So I plan to do a little series on autocross this year in the Mini Cooper, and so I wanted to get a couple of things for the Mini Cooper to make it more tolerable or just better for the track, like better ready, track ready. So one of the things that I got is this solid motor mount, which is gonna make the throttle feel more responsive and less clunky. So this is supposed to make a really big difference. So I'm excited to see what this feels like in the car, especially on the track. So this is one of the things that I got. And the other thing that I got, which is absolutely necessary, is this OMP racing seat here. And this seat is super comfortable, and I'm glad that I didn't go up or down a size, because this one really fits me perfectly, and I think that it's really, really comfortable. I just need to figure out exactly like how I want my seating position to be in the Mini, and then that'll be pretty much set. But we'll just go ahead and slide on in here, just like this. That's not the sound that my car makes, thank God, but it's pretty god dang comfortable. Look at this. Look at this. Just go ahead and take a nap here cautiously, because I feel like I'm gonna fall. Kitty, help. Don't push. I feel like it's like that moment where the feather falls on you and you like fall. Kitty, help. Help. Ugh. Okay, that's enough of that. So the seat and the solid motor mount are for the Mini, and then the most exciting thing, I'm excited about obviously everything that I get for my cars, but this is a really, really, really big deal. I have wanted this for a long, long time, and when I messaged Alex from OG Status about this was about a year ago. And so it's taken a year since the whole plan was kind of like set in motion to actually have these lights, and they're here. So I have patiently not ripped apart this box just to be able to share this with everyone. So this is exciting. I'm excited about this. Can't explain to you how hard it is to like sit here and try to pretend that this box isn't here, so I wasn't tempted to open it until I could make a video showing it to everyone. And obviously everybody's gonna want to see the lights on the car. Trust me, I do too. But of course it'd be the situation that my car is in the garage on jack stands, and it's not just like in there straight, it's kind of at a diagonal. So kind of test fitting the lights and being able to show them at this exact moment probably isn't going to be possible. So that's all right, we could just look at them. So looks like I got a couple stickers here and a nice professional business card. Look at that. Oh, and his SC's on the other side. Couple stickers. Oh my gosh. I was also like freaking out wanting to open this just to make sure that nothing like got broken or, oh my God. Oh my God. These are insane. I've seen these online several times while he's like putting them together and finishing them, but to actually like have it in my hand is it's a different feeling for sure. Wow. These are insane. Sorry, I'm like hogging the views of this right now. This is the first time I'm seeing them too, like legit first time seeing them. So yeah, these are incredible. Look at that. Look at that shit. That is, oh my gosh. This is gonna make my whole car look different, having these lights. And I'm sure anybody who's seen, especially my wide open throttle video, you can see like how sad it is because my paint is like super white and it looks really clean. And then I have these disgusting yellow headlights. So it's like, to go from that to this is gonna be, I mean, that's a major facelift right there. That's gonna take like 20 years off the car, just that by itself. Let's see, and then we got color control LED lighting because I did get, I think he calls them the demon eyes, and they change color. They all change color, and yeah, this is dope. RGB, Bluetooth, whole shebang so that they can turn all the little colors. We got wiring harness in here with everything neatly labeled. Look at you, Alex. You got your shit together. And then I'm assuming these are bulbs because they say 35 watts on them. Yeah, so it looks like there's some hardware bulbs, maybe. I guess I could just, it's like stuffed in here so much that I don't want to not be able to get it back in the little box. So, oh yeah, so these are the ballasts and some hardware in there. So freaking dope. Oh my God. I'm gonna be so arrogant with these headlights. You better ask about me. You better ask about me and my headlights. So excited. I can't say like I've like super dug around, but I'm fairly confident in saying that this exact style of headlights has never been done on the SC. And I think that's the thing that's hard, right? Is not following like the traditional cookie cutter style that everyone else does. Because there's only so many things you can do, especially with an older car, right? Unless you have something custom made like this. So little things like that that'll set my car apart from everyone else's is what I'm like obviously looking for. Like I want my car to look a little bit different than everyone else's. Oh my God, yeah. So obviously this looks just as good as the other side. Yeah. Oh my God, these are so dope. I just like I can't wait to put these on the freaking car and like every possible like scene possible, like snow, summer, like everything, just have like different pictures of my car, especially because like the back of my car looks so freaking sexy, but the front of it doesn't because my headlights suck so bad. So now I can do like badass front end pictures with my new headlights. And I'm sure anybody who's ever been in that situation, like, well, my car only looks good from this angle, can totally sympathize with that. Because now I'm like, dang, she's about to look good from all angles. I just need to, you know, get her closer to the ground and then I'll be happy. But oh my God, Alex, you outdid yourself. You're amazing. Like you can't. Look, this is the first time that he's ever done carbon fiber housings like this, and you would, I would have never, I don't feel like I could have ever done this. Like I mean, this is insane. Look at like his craftsmanship. I love the fact that he like labeled all the wires. It's all neatly done. It doesn't look, I mean, he really, obviously from what I said, like took his time on these. So yeah, I just, I especially wanted to make this video because of these headlights are like a really, really big deal. So I'm thinking, you know, hopefully I'll be able to get them on the car really soon and get some pictures and definitely some video of these headlights on my car because, oh my God. And last little thing, not little thing, kind of a big thing, but there is a B5 over there on the other side of my garage, silver one. So the car's not staying. The reason that I have that chassis is because everything that I need for the 6-speed swap for the Avant is in there. So that's going to be coming up too. It definitely came a lot sooner than I anticipated. So that's super freaking exciting because that means that I'll be pretty neck and neck in finishing the Avant and the SC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you for being patient, waiting for me to upload a new video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.